I can literally fall asleep without having to do that.
Yeah.
And
Welcome, Karina. I'm so excited to hear about your amazing journey towards natural skin healing using Korean Clear Skin Formula. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what brought you to the program initially?
so my name is Karina, and I live in Denmark currently. And last summer, I'd say, not even last summer, actually, it was the summer before that summer. So it's like 2 years ago almost. I started having some skin issues, and it started from very weird and an unexplainable itch around my legs, and it just spread out to my whole body. And later it was explained. I went to the doctors like 3 times, and then I was forwarded to dermatologists, and nothing was helping so far. I was prescribed a steroid cream, and dermatologists said that it seems like an allergic reaction to a bite of a mosquito or like some other insect, which I don't know where did it come from, but apparently somewhere at the holidays where I've been. And I started going to like light therapy at my dermatologist, but the itch wouldn't go away and it would just spread even more. And then at some point it got so bad, I kind of figured out it was something else. It was something different. And later my dermatologist told me, like, you have scabies now. And in completion to this itching, whatever allergic reaction that I got scabies, and it was not the nicest thing to actually experience. And it was itching so badly, I would stay up the whole night throughout 1 whole month without getting any sleep. And I would cry every single night because it was so bad, and it was really, really stressing me out. I would have acne all over my face because of all of this stress, and it was really bad. That's what I can say. And yeah, that's how I came to the program, which, if I may say how I found it, I accidentally, like, just one sleepless night, I was itching myself so badly, and the steroid cream just wouldn't help. I was scrolling through videos on YouTube on how to relieve my pain, my itch, and everybody was like, "Oh, steroid cream helps, yeah," and blah blah. Everything was same, and then I saw a little video with a very clickbaity name: "How to release your itch in 3 minutes." Yeah, or something like that. And I was like, sure, I have literally nothing to lose. I want to know what's happening. And there was a lady named Sun, and she was telling people about bad eczema. Yeah, how she did it in a natural way. And of course, I was hooked. And she was talking about this meditation that you can do before going to sleep or anytime you actually want. And it was a breathing exercise, which I've never considered before, actually, although I'm pretty much into all of those practices like breathing, relaxing, meditation and stuff. But it just wouldn't occur to my mind to do that, actually. And I tried. It really did help. And I was like really skeptical about that, of course, like anybody would be. Like 3 minutes, oh, come on, as if it would actually work. And it did, not gonna lie. It didn't help me completely. It didn't completely relieve the whole itchy thing, since scabies is actually parasite, and you can't really just get rid of it just by doing breathing exercises. But still, like, I was able to get at least some sleep with those breathing techniques. And I would just learn that I have to actually calm my mind before taking any other steps towards my healing. I just need to calm myself down and stop overthinking all of this. And I just need to breathe and return to the moment right now. And that's
so
how
wonderful.
I find it.
That's wonderful. Thanks for sharing that. Okay, describe your skin now compared to before the program.
Yeah.
And what does the program help you to achieve?
The thing is, I didn't do the program for a long time. It was just 4 weeks, 1 month. And still, I have learned quite a lot throughout that program. And before that, my skin would be, first of all, I had a rash all over my body because it was an allergic reaction to the bug that's inside my skin, and it's nasty and stuff. And of course, the program didn't heal my scabies, because scabies is, just like I said, it's a parasite, and I continued having it for quite a long time. Yeah, but considering the fact that I had, I'm not sure if you remember, but my skin right here, it was so bad when I was just studying, and like my face would just go crazy with pimples and stuff, and my legs would look horrible as well, and all of those swollen hands that I would have because of the scabies. Yeah, then I started doing the breathing exercises, and then throughout the program I would luckily understand how my brain works, how the immune system, how all of this stuff is connected to each other. And as long as you actually believe that you can do it, as long as you convince your brain that you can actually do it, and integrate the recipes as well, and those 3 days of detox that I did with your recipes and your guide, those helped me to really return my body to like reset it a little bit. So my acne went away completely.
Hey there! If you're ready to transform your skin and feel confident in your skin, now is the time. Click the link below to start your 14-day free trial of Korean Clear Skin Formula. This exclusive offer is your ticket to clear glowing skin naturally. I only have 5 spots available for this month, so don't miss out. Your delicious journey to radiant skin awaits.
I don't know, exfoliation on my face. I would be just covered with pimples because of the stress, as I figured. And it was a huge stress relief, this program in general. It was like my safe space, to be honest, like in one or another way. The pimples went away, and I got way more calmer than I was before. Like I realized that I can actually cool myself down. I can actually believe that I can get rid of it, because at some point throughout my journey, I lost any hope that it could actually go away. Yeah, it was really overwhelming for me to go through that. It was like a year and a half I was struggling with that. But yeah, thanks to the program, I realized a lot of things about my body, and I learned how to calm myself down and how to help my body fight any diseases that come my way.
That's so wonderful. I'm so happy for you. What advice would you give to someone struggling with similar skin issues who might be hesitant about trying the program?
Yeah, well, I'm telling you that the program is legit, and it's a very nice and positive energy, and all the videos, they're very engaging, and it's like, just like I said, it really feels like a safe space throughout a really depressing kind of a period of time. And yeah, I felt hope. Right now I'm scabies free, and part of the progress that I made was the program that I was doing. And I would just suggest you to believe in yourself and believe that your body can conquer anything, as long as you help it in the proper way. Yeah,
that's really beautiful. That sums up so well. That's wonderful. Is there anything else you want to add?
I want to just quickly, I think I haven't said that I'm sleeping right now very well. And
oh, nice.
And I'm so calm. Every time I touch my pillow, I'm so grateful. I've never thought that I would be so grateful to be able to lay down and not move.
Mm.
Yeah, I was
Beautiful.
like, I can literally fall asleep without having to do that.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
Before you go, if you're craving more personalized support on your clear skin journey, follow the link below this video, complete our 2-minute clear skin audit, and let me personally guide you towards the radiant skin you're born with. Your personalized skin transformation is just a click away.
Flex my body so much so that it doesn't itch at least a little bit. Every time I remember that, especially in some moments, like very heartfelt moments, when I remember about that, of course, it brings me a tear, but I was able to overcome it with the help. Now I'm able to sleep, and now my skin looks much better. Thank you. Of course, I have some scars from my itching, but it's natural. Yeah, it's gonna go away for sure. but I'm
That's
not eating any.
That's awesome. Isn't she beautiful? Karina is just gorgeous. Look at her skin, and she's just beautiful inside and out. Like I can see that. So I'm so proud of you, and thank you so much. And like I'm thrilled to have you as a part of our community, and I'm really honored to work with you. So thank you so much for the opportunity. And this wraps up our interview. Thank you so much. Visit 𝘾𝙃𝙃 for more natural skin healing recipes and tips. Let's make your skin healing journey easy, fun, and delicious.